does God answer our prayer? We hear many people saying, I have been praying for so long for a particular purpose or intention, but I am still waiting when my prayers will be answered by God. The stronger we are in prayer life, sometimes some of us experience intense is our suffering, challenges, difficulties that we face in our daily life. Sometimes long waiting for the prayers to be answered lead us to disappointment, lack of interest in prayer. We feel tired of praying. Most of us stop praying. Is God deaf to hear our prayers? No. God answers our prayers in His ways. We as human beings think that our prayers should be answered in our human ways. God's way of answering our prayers are different. This is how God answers our prayers. When we ask God strength, God gives us difficulties to make us strong. When we ask God wisdom, God gives us problems to solve. When we ask God for courage, God gives us dangers to overcome. When we ask God success, God gives us challenges to obtain. When we ask God for faith, God gives us trials to overcome. When we ask God for love, God gives us troubled people to help. In this way, our prayers are answered by God. Amen.